My name's Kinsey. I like Cheez-Its and puppies and Jesus. Jesus is so cool. If you don't know about Jesus, find me, talk to me. Jesus is cool. Follow me on Instagram, Kinsey_Raylan.
And we all get like smacked in the face. Hey guys, look at my new tattoo. It's flowers. It's permanent. It's gonna be here forever. Just like my love for Riley.
Oh, sorry. Tell them about what we're gonna buy. The James Charles. It's so pretty. You can use code James for 10% off. You know, get that $4 off. But then the brushes, you know, are $1.49.
When you leave 2S, you go to 2B. Yeah, I need you looking up here.
What was that?
My game.
Eat it. Can you repeat that for the vlog?
Repeat it for the vlog.
Are my hands cold?
Who is that?
Repeat it for the vlog.
No!
You made yesterday's vlog.
Yeah, you were in yesterday's vlog. Thanks.
Hi, it's this person in a bush asking if you want to buy some lettuce.
Worthy of the vlog.
Hey kids, you want to buy some lettuce? Jeez, that...
The national and the state laws, right? The guys who made the Constitution were fairly intelligent human beings, Y and Z, right?
Riley, you can't listen. You won't see it till later. Okay. Everyone go comment how pretty Riley is. Because she's beautiful. And she deserves to know. Oh my god.
Like, I'm happy with a guy and you're gonna sit there and tell me it's good.
Mars like that.
Probably the hardest intelligence target.
No.
It's just basically a catalog of a lot over the years.
I'm an actor. Catch me on stage.
Anti-American. Of course, I don't look like a typical American, according to.
Does a building come along? But they use their ass. Well, first I go to the house and they vote on me. Don't you have to go through Congress at some point? Oh, that's adorable. You still think that's how government works?
It's not.
Well,
I never have one, 2, 3.
And then California has decided they can't really limit the guns as much.
We're cutting that up. Yes, you are. Blur out his name, but put his snap code to say add this kid on the phone. Yes.
It would be like,
Add him on his phone.
And our last story takes you to the Isle of Man, where
I'll
you might
projectile vomit on your
this is a
mom.
grand castle.
Hi guys, so we just left the scriptures class and we're gonna be anyways. So we're going to third period,
Which is dun dun.
Miss Kearney. And yeah, we're gonna do some math.
Riley is a homosexual. She will cheat on a test and make you get it wrong. But you gave me the wrong answer, so you are therefore a homosexual.
So, update, my ex-boyfriend is about to propose to his new girlfriend with a $4,000 engagement ring. Yeah, so, how's your life?
Now, I know you don't want to write 331 pages. I know you don't want to write as much. So I put the link.
Nobody.
You still mess.
I need it.
Not gonna lie. I still don't like it.
You ain't studied in 2 weeks.
You're right. She's not wrong. Riley doesn't do shit. It's true. Riley never does anything. I try. I really do.
It's okay, honey, I do too.
Your mom's back. Are we getting married now?
I like Rory.
She made a cheesecake. And someone paid her to do it.
And then she asked her,
Will you make me weed brownies?
and she was like,
Don't put that in my vlog.
but I ain't never gonna stop.